Function expressions. Another way to define a function is to use a function expression. To define a function inside an expression, we can use the function keyword. In a function expression, the function name is usually omitted. A function with no name is called an anonymous function. A function expression is often stored in a variable in order to refer to it. Consider the following function expression. The identifier, the function keyword, the parameters. Const calculate area equals function, and the parameters are width and height. Const area equal width multiplied by height, return area. Okay, so that's basically the const calculate area is the variable. So let's not get confused here. Sometimes I confuse myself, so just please forgive me. So const calculate area is the variable, okay? And then function width height, that's the function keyword itself. And but we're gonna write this later on in a better way. So to declare a function expression, declare a variable to make the variable's name be the name or identifier of your function. Since the release of ES6, it is common practice to use const as the keyword to declare the variable, assign as the variable's value an anonymous function created by using the function keyword followed by a set of parentheses with possible parameters, then a set of curly braces that contain the function body. To invoke a function expression, write the name of the variable in which the function is stored, followed by the parentheses enclosing any arguments being passed into the function. So variable name, parameters 1 and 2, which is argument 1 and 2. Unlike function declarations, function expressions are not wasted, so they cannot be called before they are defined. So there's no wasting with the function declarations or the function expressions. So let's define a new function using a function expression. Instructions. Number 1, let's say we have a plant that we need to water once a week on Wednesdays. We could define a function expression to help us check the day of the week there, and the plant needs to be watered. And the plant that needs to be watered, create a variable named plants needs water using the const variable keyword. So we're starting off with the const, with the constant variable is plant needs water. But assign an anonymous function that takes, so anonymous function, let's just say function. So it takes in a parameter of day to plants needs water. We quickly run that. Yeah, I made an error here, sorry. Okay, that's correct. Okay, const plants needs water, which is a variable, and so the function and the parameter passed in is day. So now we need to add some code to the function body of plants needs water. In the function body, add an if condition that checks day if day is equal to Wednesday. So day, day is equal to the string Wednesday. The conditional is truthy. Inside the if code block, use the return keyword to return true. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to return true. Okay. Let's run that quickly. That's correct. So on days that aren't Wednesday, plants need water should return false. So else, on days that aren't Wednesday, so if day equals Wednesday, else we're just going to return false. So you can just say else false because, okay, let's quickly run that. Okay, so now call the plant needs water function and call the plant needs water argument and pass in Tuesday as an argument. Okay, so call the plants needs water function and pass in Tuesday as an argument. Okay, so just outside the concise body, let's take plant needs water, call it and pass it the string Tuesday. Okay, that's correct. So number 5, let's check that plants need water. Return the expected value. Log plants need water Tuesday to the console. If it worked correctly, you should see false log to the console. The Boolean false should appear. Right, because let's quickly console.log. Variable plant needs. I don't know why, but when I am making a video, a coding video, I'm always nervous when I type for some reason. I don't know why. While I'm teaching and trying to type, I don't type like as fast. I can type like it's almost 70 words per minute, but like, yeah, when I'm coding and stuff, then I'm like way slower, much slower. And I'm nervous, because I stutter a bit. So I'm sure a lot of you have noticed that already. Okay, so console.log Tuesday, right? Sorry, log plants waters Tuesday to the console. So just call the variable. Let's run that. That's incorrect. In plants water, we need the argument Tuesday. Okay, so as you can see, it returns that false. But if it was equal to Wednesday, let's say if we passed it in Wednesday, then it should return true. So let's run that. As you can see there, it returns true. Okay, let's move on.